you can actually build your website for free with no coding experience. So in my last video I explained how to get a free hosting account and a free domain. So in this video I'm going to continue and then show you how to build the site with WordPress after you've signed up to infinityfree.com or any free hosting provider. So I'm on my infinityfree.com dashboard here, and then this is when I created my first web.kesug.com. So then I'll just come right here to Softaculous installer. So okay, yeah, this is it. So there are so many CMS software that we're seeing here. This is WordPress, so many of them, but for this I'll be using WordPress. So you just click on install. Okay, so we'll go to sign like here. So this is the domain we're going for. Okay, so if you don't want to be in your main directory, you can just put something here, but for I want to put anything here. So then you choose the version of WordPress, so it will be the latest by default. Okay, Zyron port, and then for here okay, this is just for the purpose of this video, so you can put something. So we're right here now inside our admin dashboard. So in building our website, our first website, there are two major things we need to know. We need to know about themes and plugin. So in WordPress, there are so many themes you can choose from and so many plugins. The theme affects the appearance of the website, how the site appears, and the plugin typically affects the functionality. If you need a particular function, there will be a plugin for it, and then you install. And then if there is no plugin for a function you need, you can go ahead and write some PHP code to create your custom plugin. And then I would do a video demonstrating how to build some simple custom plugin that you might need using PHP. It's very simple. So now, new theme. So we are there now. Typically the most popular WordPress theme that most WordPress developers do use is Astra, and I will explain why this is shortly. So but then just go ahead, you can search for me. It's here, it's a very popular plugin, so it might show up for you, but then if it doesn't show up, just come over here, type Astra and search for it, and then it will bring it out. So click on install. So after the installation, just click on activate. Okay, so it has been activated. Now the next thing for us to do is to just come right here, and then you see build your dream website in minutes with AI. Okay, you can just disregard all this. The major thing we need is the starter template. So just come right here and click let's get started with starter template. So it automatically activates starter templates, and there are over 280 templates from which we can choose which one best suits our websites and then customize it to fit. So it's activating. Once activated, we'll go right into the starter templates, search for what we need, and then get to use what we need.